To number 9 of things to do with an old object matrix faceplate, a bread tin. If you follow me on Instagram, and I doubt you are one of my 42 followers, then you might find out I'm a little bit bread obsessed. So from making really nice sourdoughs, as we have this morning, I'm a bit of a bread bore, as can be attested by a number of my friends who quit Instagram in protest. So I'm going to make a standard loaf and try and get it to go in one of these. As with all forms of cooking, preparation when making bread is everything. So I'm going to get stuff ready and away we go. So now we've taken the dough out, we can see it's risen quite a bit, and now we're going to turn it out, shape it and put it into this. Now it's been shaped, albeit really badly, it's time to leave it rest again and let it rise before we put it in the oven. Just going to dust it a bit with flour so the cling film doesn't stick. That's what I prepared earlier. And hopefully this will work. So, as you can see, it's risen quite nicely, and I've just sprinkled on some flax seed, or they might be sesame seed, can't remember, either way. Now all that is remaining to do is pop it in the oven and see how it goes. Looking good. Wow, check that out, amazing. Oh, that's hot. So, looks really nicely browned. Need to try and get this out without killing myself. Looks amazing. So, I give you a baguette, almost, made from an old object matrix faceplate. And it happens to look like a faceplate. Deal.